What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding solving radical equations. This is lesson 2. In lesson 1 we had some examples for solving radical equations, and we continue in this video with some more examples. First example I want to show you is square root of 3m plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0, and we need to solve it. Answer is, we can say root 3m plus 2 equals to 5, and then we squared both sides. It's going to be 3m plus 2 to the power of 2. Actually the bracket has to be here, 5 squared. Then the squared and radical cancel each other. It's going to be 3m plus 2. 5 squared is 25. And then you have 3m equals to 25 minus 2, which is 23. Then we can say m will be 23 divided by 3. Next example is square root of 10z plus 1 equals to minus 2 equals to 0. Answer is, it's going to be 10z plus 1 equals to 2. We squared both sides. It's going to be 10z plus 1 equals to 2 squared, which is 4. And then we can say 10z equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. And z equals to 3 over 10, or 0.3. Next example is square root of 3y plus 5 plus 2 equals to 5. How to solve it? The answer is going to be root 3y plus 5 equals to 5 minus 2, which is 3. Then we squared both sides. It's going to be 3y plus 5 equals to 3 squared, because when we square this part, it's going to cancel the square roots, which is going to be 9. And then we have 3y equals to 9 minus 5, which is going to be 3y equals to 4, and y will be 4 over 3. So one more time, we have square root of 3y plus 5 plus 2 equals to 5. Then we move the 2 in here. It's going to be 5 minus 2, which is 3. Then we square that. It's going to be 9. This one is 3y plus 5. So 3y will be 9 minus 5 equals to 4. So y will be 4 over 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots and other topics in math and science. Thank you.